Hello and welcome to another recipe video with the Tiny Italian, and today's recipe is in collaboration with the amazing guys at Filippo Berio, who produce some of the best olive oil found here in the UK. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make one of my all-time favourite dishes. It literally takes me back to so many summers that I've spent in Puglia and southern Italy. And today I'm going to show you how to make my Nonna Gina's summer potato salad. It is absolutely freaking delicious. It's so good. It's super easy and simple to make, and it literally goes with so many other dishes. It's perfect for a barbecue, it's perfect for a garden picnic. It goes with chicken, it goes with sausages, it goes with fish. It can be a dish on its own, it can be a side dish. It's versatile, absolutely versatile, and I'm very, very excited to show you how to make this in your own home today. So, the ingredients that we're going to be using today are very much a reflection of the Mediterranean. So, what we've got here, we've got 750 grams of salad potatoes. We're going to be using 2 celery stalks and their beautiful flavoursome leaves, a couple of peppers and a red onion. We have some 300 grams of cherry tomatoes or pomodorino tomatoes, 120 grams of pitted olives, some fresh basil, of course Filippo Berio extra virgin olive oil, some salt and pepper, and that is it. And what's beautiful about this dish is that all we need to do is prep each ingredient separately. There's not that much cooking involved, and then you just literally throw it all together, but the result is absolutely magnificent. So let's start. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to cook our potatoes. So I have a large saucepan here of cold water, which I'm going to place my potatoes into. I'm going to season it with salt, generously with salt. Turn it on. What we want to do, we want to bring the water to the boil, and then as soon as the water's boiled, we're going to cover the pan with a lid, and we're going to let them cook for about 20-25 minutes. Step number 2, we're going to prepare our peppers. So we actually need to remove the skins off our peppers. So what we're going to do, we're going to place them under the grill, allow the skins to blacken, and then when they've cooled down, we can peel off the skin. So to do that, what I suggest to do is first of all, cut off the top of your peppers, cut them into quarters, like so. When you've quartered your peppers, what you need to do is then get a baking tray, flatten them as much as you can with the skin side up, like so, and then under a high grill, place them on the top shelf and then cook them until all the skin has blackened. So our peppers have finished cooking under the grill. Can you see? The skin has beautifully blackened. I'll tell you what, it smells incredible. So now what we're going to do is then place them in a bowl, like so. And then with a sheet of cling film, place it on top. And we're going to leave that there. The steam in here will help us be able to peel the skin of the peppers a lot more easier when it's cooled down later on. But in the meantime, let's park that to one side and let's finish prepping the rest of our ingredients. While we wait for our potatoes to cook and our peppers to cool down, we can prep the rest of our ingredients. So first of all, grab an onion, peel it. Now, cut straight through the root of the onion. Slice into thin slices. So you want half moons, like the onion sliced into half moons. That's what we're looking for, guys. Now let's prep our celery. So we're going to prep 2 celery sticks. Do not ever throw away the leaves. The leaves are incredible, and they're just as good like basil or parsley or other herbs you would chuck into a salad. So put them to one side. Cut the ends off because we don't want those. We are going to finely slice them. Finely slice like this. Whoops. like this, very fine where possible. Now we're going to either halve or quarter your tomatoes, depending on the size they are. So these are slightly larger than a cherry tomato, so I'm going to quarter these. If you're using cherry, I would suggest just halve them. So our peppers have cooled down. Just removed the cling film off my peppers. So all you need to do now is carefully, you should be able to just peel your skin off super easy like this. So do that with all your peppers. When you finish peeling your peppers, now what you need to do is slice them into thin strips, probably about 1 centimetre thick. So 20 minutes are up and my potatoes are ready. So I've just got a bowl here with a colander, and I'm literally just going to drain my potatoes into there. And then what we're going to need to do is let the potatoes cool down for at least 10 minutes. And then we do that, we then have to peel our potatoes. When your potatoes have cooled down, what you need to do is with a little knife just score all the way around, and you should just be able to peel quite easily the potato. Now we slice our potato into 1 centimetre slices. Now we build our salad. So in a large bowl, you put your potato in, and you throw in, or you add in, should I say, your peppers. You'll add your tomatoes, it's looking delicious. You add your celery, add your sliced onion, you add your olives, and then your celery and your basil leaves, you just tear that. Just tear it like so. Then drizzle generous amounts of olive oil. You season with salt. A little bit of black pepper. And then just mix it all well together. Got all the beautiful flavours. You've got the potato, the tomato, the peppers, the onion, the celery, the olives. And there you go. So this here you see is my Nonna Gina's summer potato salad, just full of absolute deliciousness, and served and drizzled over with plenty of Filippo Berra extra virgin olive oil.